Hello and welcome to this new video of the Monitoring Academy. My name is Eric Montagnon and I belong to the Cloud APM Level 2 Customer Support team. Today I'm going to discuss how to export an RFT or an RPT script with the Rational Integration Support plugin using a fake AMC agent. In the case where the RFT or the RPT machine has no valid connection to the real AMC agent for whatever reason. Indeed, you may have some constraints or limitation that prevent the recorder machine where the RFT or RPT software is installed to communicate properly with the machine where the AMC agent is installed. So here is the agenda for this today session. First, we are going to verify what is already installed in this environment. And then we are going to install a fake AMC. So we are going to install a fake AMC agent co-resident where the RPT or RFT recorder software is installed. Then we will use, as usual, the Rational Integration Support plugin to export the script to this fake AMC agent. And once the script.zip and other elements are produced on your local recorder machine, you can find the right way fitting your environment to export the zip files to the real AMC. And the last step will be to do a little bit of cleaning on the real AMC agent machine and restart the AMC agent, so you can then deploy a profile, a robotic profile with your new recorded script for later robotic playbacks. So first of all, let's verify what is already installed. Basically, what you need, of course, is a real AMC agent on machine 1 that is up and running. And you have also already installed Rational Integration Support Export plugin on the RFT or RPT software on machine number 2. So let's check that first. So here on this machine, we are on the recorder system, where we have installed our RPT and RFT. So the first thing to check is we are going to verify if the Rational Integration plugin is installed. So inside RPT, once you have installed RPT, you go on Help, About RPT, Installation Details, and you click on the Features tab. And if you sort on the version column and scroll down and search for version 7.4.0.1, you should see a feature named ITCAM4Transactions with a feature ID, IBM Tivoli, RPT, SDK, Transperf, Eclipse feature. So this is one way to verify that the Rational Integration plugin is installed already on this RPT environment. You can also click on the plugins and similarly click on the versions column and scroll up or down to the version 7.4, and here you should see as well several entries for ITCAM4Transaction plugins, as you can see. Similarly, on RFT, now same procedure. If you have RFT environment, Help, About RFT, Installation Details, Features. Here it is. This is a rational integration or ITCAM4Transaction plugin. And same thing, under Plugins tab. Here it is. Alright, so this is the first thing to verify that we have the rational integration plugin installed. The second thing to verify, you need to have a real AMC on machine 1. Okay, so this is the recorder box, and I have also a machine, a real AMC environment. There it is, with ITCAM console started. One good way of checking the connection to the AMC machine, either to the fake or to the real, is to try to connect using a telnet command with the hostname or the IP address of the machine where the AMC agent is installed and the port. By default, the AMC agent is configured to use the GMX SOAP port 1976. So if the agent is not running, you can try this command, and if it is running, you should see HTTP 1.0 200 OK. Let's do it again, and then I press enter and I get the results. Now if the AMC agent is not running, let's stop it on the fake environment for the test purpose. So now the ITCAM agent is stopped. If I go back to my machine and enter again the command, you will get an error message saying could not open connection to the host. Okay, so we have verified our environment. Now we are going to install a fake AMC agent. In the interest of trying to keep this video as short as possible, I'm not going to show you the complete installation of the AMC agent. Here I am on the recorder machine again. I have the ITCAM4Transaction 7.4.0.1 RT installation image on Windows, for example, that I extracted in a temporary directory. And if you go under Windows and search for the setup.exe, so this is the program to launch and to install AMC. So you launch it as an administrator account and you select the ITCAM console. And the important step is when you will be asked to enter the hostname or IP address of the TAMS, don't put a real TAMS, put localhost or dummy or something, whatever. But so you don't register, if you want, this fake AMC agent to your real TAMS and TAPs. That's the only thing to be aware of. Once it's installed, it should appear here in the Manage Tivoli Enterprise Monitoring Service, ITCAM console. For the moment, it is stopped. Okay, now let's go to the next step. We are going to use the rational integration or ITCAM4Transaction export, and we are going to export our script as usual. But we are going to export it to the fake AMC agent. So here we are back to the recorder machine. Let's take, for example, RPT environment. I've already recorded a script, so I played it back manually. It works once you are happy with your script. You want to export it, so you do File, Export, Other, ITCAM4Transaction. Next. And here, very important, normally you would put the real host or IP address of the machine where the real AMC agent is up and running, but in your case you have a difficulty with that, doing that. So you are going to put localhost to export your script on your local recorder environment. By default, it should use the default server port, except if you change the configuration of your AMC agent, but normally not. Next. Here, because my AMC on my local machine is not up and running yet, I get this error. And I can't go on, and I can't continue, and I can't complete the export. I can only click on OK, but if I do next again, same error. So now let's start the ITCAM console. That is a fake one on my recorder environment. It is started. Let's try again. And now next, I can see the list of all my project or projects. I can decide to select my project. Next, I see the list of my scripts. And I can decide, for example, to export this script, for example, RPT manual upload script. Finish. And if everything goes as expected, the export will work. You can see the message, script name, upload successful. So that's it for RPT. Similarly, we do exactly the same thing in RFT environment. Let's do it. I have RFT also installed here in this same environment. I have recorded an RFT script already, file, export, other, ITCAM for transaction, next, host equal localhost, next, project is selected, project name is selected, next. Here again, if everything goes as expected, should see the list of all my script. I'm going to export this RFT manual upload test. Finish. Here again, upload result, my script name, upload successful. So where are my scripts? I need to know where they are, of course. If you go under your ITM home directory, by default it is under CIBM ITM, you have KT1 depot G3 subdirectory. And here you have RFT, RPT, and RPT runtime. So for RFT script, you only have to go into this subdirectory, and here you find your script or scripts that you have exported already. I just exported this RFT manual upload test.zip today now. And similarly for RPT, you have under RPT subdirectory, you have your script name.zip that you will need to transfer to your real AMC machine. And you need to go under RPT runtime, and you have the runtime version of RPT.zip, and this is the second file that you have to transfer manually to your AMC real environment. So now you have to find the right way to fit your environment and copy over the exported zip files that I just showed you from the fake AMC to the real AMC. And you are going to copy over in the same directory on the real AMC. So you need to go to your real AMC environment. So here now I am on the real AMC machine, and you have to go again into the same directory, ITM home. So for example, C IBM ITM, KT1 depot, T3. And here again you have RFT, where you have all your RFT.zip files. So that's where you need to copy over the RFT.zip files. And for RPT, you have the RPT script that are under the RPT directory. And you have the RPT runtime, where you should copy over. I have not done it yet, the RPT runtime. So once you have transferred manually your various .zip from the fake machine to the real AMC agent machine, you should see on RFT under T3 RFT, you should see your new .zip. And same thing for RPT. I have pushed or copied over my script name.zip and the runtime. And now I should see them. So we have finished the step 3, we copied over, and now we are going to do the fourth and last step, which is to restart the real AMC agent. And we need to do a little bit of cleaning. I will show you that now. So the first thing to do on the real AMC agent, when you have the possibility to do it, you stop the ITCAM console or the KT3 agent with the ITMCMD command. Once the ITCAM agent is stopped, you need to go under the KT1 depot, and you need to do a little bit of cleaning. Under each subdirectory, under KT1 depot T3, you have a file that is named compressed.encoded. So you have to delete all these files under each subdirectory under KT1 depot T3. So I delete it. Under applications, under camconfig, you can delete everything. Clients, components. I delete only the compressed.encoded file under each subdirectory. RFT, there is no compressed encoded. RPT schedules. And the last one, transactions. And very lastly, you delete under KT1 depot T3 the .index.xml file. And that's it. You have done the cleaning, and now you can restart your ITCAM console or T3 agent. Once this is done and the ITCAM agent has been restarted, you see a new index.xml file has been created, and under each subdirectory you should see the new compressed encoded file has been created. Camconfig, all the files have been recreated, etc. etc. And if you go in the tab, Application Management Console, Robotic Script, view, you should see the lastly uploaded manually zip. So RPT runtime here, my test script that I uploaded for RPT, and same thing for RFT. So we have done the latest step, and now you can deploy these new scripts if you like to against your robotic response time agent and verify that robotic playback works. You can also see my blog that I have written on this same subject. I have put here the URL, or if you search on Google on ITCAM for transaction, RPT, RFT, rational export, and AMC, you should find it very easily. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a good day, good evening, afternoon. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this video from the IBM Academies. We really appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, we would love you to check the thumbs up button. We have added several helpful links to the comments box which will take you straight to our blogs and other videos. Thanks again for watching.